Hello, I'm John, the developer of Meditative VR. It's going to be quite a quick video. I did plan on getting an update out by the end of March. That's not going to happen because the development's a little bit more ambitious than I originally anticipated. So this video is just to give people an idea of the progress and where it's going. Because the changes are more ambitious and it's now becoming a bit more of a sandbox where you can build your own or create your own worlds. So I'll give a quick demonstration of that. So this is the environment selection. People that know the product will be familiar with this. So these are interactives around you here, and these serve as to give the player a little bit of an idea about what they can expect in the main environments. So this is a light source that you can pick up, and there's objects which are only visible to this light source, and if you take this light near them and discover them, they will react. We have a mini sun here which you can grab up and just so if you grab it there, see that appears in front of you, and you can see the world, the Earth rotate, and all of the night lights should be accurate. We have a little universe here. It's a little star just exploded out, and above us we can see the effects of grabbing this, and the stars appear above us. You can also create your own night sky by throwing these up. Like so, and you can also pick this lotus up, and if you throw these in the water, like so. So I'm going to go through to Green Meadows. So here are our interactives. It's probably best to consider the environments now as a themed canvas, because it will really be up to the player to create the world they want to be in. So these represent elements of the environment that you can choose where you want to place them. So let's say we like this environment, we like the feel of it, but we want the environment a little bit more fuller. We want to sit under a full canopy of trees, for instance. So this is a little bit empty over here, so we'll just start to pick up and throw these orbs, hopefully quite quickly. We can change the world we're in. It was a little bit tedious placing each individual flower, so now they're done as clusters. Some butterflies over here. Very quick example. So we've turned this quite empty patch of land into a bit more of a forest. One of the other features we've got, and it will be present in all the environments, is you'll have the ability to either change the weather or the time of day. So if I grab this, we've now got some rain, and we have an atmospheric rainy time of day. For people that like to use nature treks as a meditative tool, then I've added in this orb here, and what this will do is It brings up these lotus leaves around you. And these are there to help you slow down your breathing. And it brings up this little shell around you too. Anyway, I won't keep the demo any longer. I'll crack on getting the things sorted so we can get an update out as soon as possible. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye bye.